Hi everyone, my name is Emma.
And I'm Grace. We're both workshop interns at the View Arts Center.
Today we're going to be showing you some fun Exquisite Corpse activities.
Have you ever heard of Exquisite Corpse? Exquisite Corpse is an idea that originated with the Surrealist movement, where two or more artists or writers can collaborate on one piece.
It's a lot of fun and you can do it from home with friends or family. You end up with some pretty wacky stuff, so let's get into it! For this project, you'll need a drawing utensil, paper, tape, and a friend. Let's start off with the classic. First, you'll need to fold a piece of paper into thirds. You should end up with 3 different sections to draw in.
The first person draws the head of a creature in the top section of the paper. Be sure to extend the neck a little bit into the middle section so the next person knows where to start drawing. Look how cute! Fold your section over to hide your drawing. Be sure to keep it a secret.
The next person draws a torso off of the neck drawn by the first person. Once again, fold your drawing over to keep it a secret from the other person.
The last person draws legs for the creature in the bottom section of the paper.
Finally, unfold the paper to reveal your Exquisite Corpse drawing.
Look how cool this turned out!
What a unique drawing!
Even if you can't be with your friends in person, you can still do an Exquisite Corpse drawing together.
To start, we'll show you how to make your own accordion book to draw in. First, tape 2 pieces of paper together like this. Next, fold your paper in half like a hot dog. Then, fold it in half again. Finally, fold each half once more in the opposite direction. You should end up with your own 8-page accordion book.
Now you can take your accordion book anywhere and start drawing. You and your friend can choose a theme for your Exquisite Corpse book. In this example, we chose a garden theme.
When your first drawing is finished, deliver it to your friend. Now it's your friend's turn to add a drawing. Continue to take turns adding to your book until it's full. Have fun with your theme and be creative!
When the book is full, unfold the paper and see your drawings all together. What a masterpiece!
Here's an example of Exquisite Corpse drawing where you can be inspired by your friend's ideas in real time.
Between you and at least one other friend, sit around a single sheet of paper. The first person will begin by drawing a character anywhere on the page.
The next person will respond to this character by drawing a character of their own.
Take turns adding your own unique characters. Challenge yourself to draw characters interacting with each other. Maybe you can even tell a story with them.
Check out this animal birthday party.
You can create some interesting exquisite corpse pieces with writing.
Like for the classic, start by folding your paper into 3 sections.
The first person writes the first sentence of a story. Fold the top section of your paper over and write the last word of your sentence at the top of the middle section for the next person to see.
Using this word as inspiration, the next person writes a sentence for the middle of the story. Again, fold this section over and write the last word of your sentence on the last section.
The last person repeats the process and writes the last sentence of a story.
And now for a dramatic reading by Emma and Grace.
The obese squirrel tried to climb the tree, but a large robin swooped in and attacked, knocking her back onto the grass.
The wind caused the branches to rustle, and a giant pine cone fell on my head.
The head of the squirrel was bald and red because the sun was bright that day, and sunburns are an unfortunate fact of life.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Art. We challenged some of our friends at View to make their own exquisite corpse drawings.
Check out what they made. These turned out so great. We can't wait to see what you and your friends create.
Share your own exquisite corpse drawings and stories with the hashtag ViewArtsFromHome, and we'll share them on our Instagram stories.
Check back at the View website for more videos and posts every week. This was
Emma and Grace signing off.